So let us start our class. So yesterday we have learned about what? Alternate angles, corresponding angles, right? So let us see once again. And yesterday about the angles that I have asked. So yes, some of you have given the correct answer. That was what? That was vertically opposite angles. Okay. So let us once again revise that part. That say this is the parallel line. This is the transversal. So let us again discuss. This is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. Okay. So the 4 angles. So yes, it was correct that angle 1 and this angle 3 will be what? Vertically opposite angles, isn't it? You see, this is a straight line, this is a straight line. So this is a what? Crisscross, right? One X shape. So this will be what? This will definitely be what? Vertically opposite angles. So correct. Like that 5 and 7, 6 and 8 is also what? Vertically opposite angles. So correct. Done. Next, linear pair. What are the linear pair over here? So I can say what? 1 plus 2 is what? 180 degree. Isn't it? Not 1 plus 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2. Sorry. So I can say that angle 1 plus angle 2 will be what? 180 degree. It is what? Linear pair, isn't it? In same way, I can say angle 3 plus angle 4 will be how much? Again 180 degree. 3 plus 4 is how much? Again see, this is a straight line. This is a straight line. So this is 3, this is 4. So what? Yes, the diagram is opposite, downward, but the logic is same. This is a straight line. So this complete angle is 180 degree. So 3 plus 4 will also be what? 180 degree. This is also a linear pair. So just understand the diagram. That's what I am doing right now. 1 plus 4 will be what? Again, this is a straight line. Again, this is a straight line. So like that, 1 plus 4 will be how much? Again 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 4 is also what? 180 degree. In same way, angle 2 plus angle 3 will also be what? 180 degree. So these are what? These are our linear pairs. Same way, 5 plus 6, 180. 6 plus 7, 180. 7 plus 8, 180. 8 plus 5 is also 180. These all are our what? Linear pair. So understood? Which are vertically, which are linear pair. So now corresponding angles. Which are corresponding angles? With 1. What will be the corresponding angle? So you have to jump one angle or skip one angle, the next angle, right? 5. 1 and 5 will be what? Corresponding angles. In case of corresponding angles, if the angle is in left side, then the other angle is also what? In left side. And if the angle is in right side, then the other angle is also what? Right side. And you have to do what? You have to jump one angle. Say angle 1, so jump 4, 5. 1 and 5. Then 4 and 8. 2 and 6. 3 and 7. These are what? These are our corresponding angles. Next what? Alternate angles. So with 1, what will be the alternate angle? Left, then right. And if exterior, then exterior. So 1 and 7. 2 and 8. And if interior, then 4 and 6. Interior, interior, left, right. Interior, interior, 3, 5. These are what? These are our alternate angles. Okay. So done. And one more important thing I have said what? That these angles 4 and 5, 3 and 6. 4 and 5, 3 and 6. They are what? They are co-interior angles. Remember the word co-interior angles. And if you forget this word, then you will say what? They are interior angles. They are what? They are interior angles only. So they are interior angles on the same side of the transversal. If you forget the word co-interior angle. But it is better you remember the word co-interior angle. And if you forget, then interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Okay. So this all we have studied. So let us see one more complex diagram. Let us see a little bit more complex diagram. So this will be one diagram. This is parallel. This is also parallel. 3 parallel lines are there. Okay. And this is a transversal. So how many angles will form? You see 1, 2, 3, 4. So lot of many angles will form, right? So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10, this is 11, and this is what? This is 12. So 12 angles formed, right? So many angles are there. Okay. So now again I am drawing this one. if I say, so with this angle, what will be the corresponding angle? With this angle, what will be the corresponding angle? This angle, isn't it? I will jump this angle. This angle will be what? Corresponding angle. Means with 1, what will be the corresponding angle? 5 will be the corresponding angle. Now what if I say that this line, suppose it is not there. Suppose this line is not there. Forget about this line. This line is not there, okay? Then with 1, what will be the corresponding angle? This will be the corresponding angle. Means with 1, 5 is also corresponding angle. And suppose this line is not there, this middle line is not there, then with 1, what will be the corresponding angle? 10 will be the corresponding angle, isn't it? At first what? If this line is not there, if say this line is not there, then with 1, what will be the corresponding angle? 5, isn't it? 1, jump, and then 5. But if this middle line is not there, then what will be the corresponding angle? 10. 1, then jump this angle, 10. What if this 1 is not there? This line is not there. This line is there. Then what will be the corresponding angle with 10? This one, jump one angle, and then this angle. What? 5. So 5 is corresponding to what? 10. Isn't it? And again you see, 1 is corresponding to 5. 5 is corresponding to 10. And if 5 is not there, then 1 is also corresponding to 10. Isn't it? 1 and 5 are what? Corresponding. 5 and 10 are also what? Corresponding. And if this middle line is not there, then 1 and 10 is also what? Corresponding angles. Understood? 1 and 5 also corresponding, 1 and 10 also corresponding, 5 and 10 also corresponding. Okay? So let us see one case for alternate angles. Understood? So see, the diagram has been a little bit more complex. Okay? But you have to understand step by step. If this part is not there, then 1 and 5 is what? Corresponding. Okay? Say now this middle portion is not there. Then with 1 what? 10 will be corresponding. Like that. Okay? Let us see one more. One more, let us see. Again. If I take this angle 1 with this, what will be the alternate angle? Forget about this line now. Now forget about this line. If I hide this line, then what will be the alternate angle for the 1? So 1 is exterior. So the other angle will also be what? Exterior on the right side. That means what? This one. Which angle? What is the name of this angle? 8. So with 1, what will be the alternate angle? 8. Understood? Clear? Okay. It is correct, na? Okay. It is correct. Now next, if suppose this angle is not there. If suppose this angle is not there, then what? With 1, what will be the alternate angle? Since 1 is exterior, say for example this line is not there, I am having this line. Now with 1, what will be the exterior angle? This one, isn't it? That means this angle is what? 11. So with 1, 11 is also alternate angle. When this middle line is not there. Now if I draw the middle line, so what was that angle? 1 is equal to which angle? Angle number 8, right? Angle number 8. Say this line is not there. Angle number 8. 1 is equal to angle number 8. And 1 is also equal to what? Angle number what? 11. If this middle line is not there. Now if all the 3 lines are there, then what we can see? That yes, 1 is equal to 8. 1 is equal to 8. And also we know that if this line is not there, then 1 is equal to what? 11. 1 is equal to 11. Same thing, alternate angles. Then 8 and 11 what? Then 8 and 11 should also be equal. If 1 is equal to 8, 1 is also equal to 11, then our 8 and 11 is also equal. So what angles are 8 and 11? Look carefully. They are on the same side. Same side, left, right side. Okay. So 11, jump one angle, you will reach 8. So these are what? These are again what? Corresponding angles. These are corresponding angles. You see? These are what? These are alternate angle. 1 and 8 alternate angle. And if 8 is not there, then 1 and 11 is also what? Alternate angles. So your understanding the diagram is the most important thing. Okay? In exercise you will get difficult diagrams. You have to understand the diagram. which one will be alternate, which one will be corresponding. Okay, there might be that type of line. One more type of diagram is there, okay, to confuse you. How? Like this. Like this, one more type of diagram is there. So two parallel lines. This is the transversal. One more transversal will be there. Same. So now you see, for these two lines, L and M, so this is P and Q. For L and M, P and Q are what? Transversal. Again you see L is parallel to M, isn't it? Again P is also parallel to Q. So for P and Q, L and M are transversal. If I rotate this diagram, then P and Q, okay, and over here what? L and M. So see, for L and M, P and Q are transversal. For P and Q, L and M are also transversal. So you have to understand the diagram, okay. Say for example, if I say in this question, so with this angle, what will be your corresponding angle? So you can say this side, okay, this side I am saying. Say for example, P is parallel to Q, P is parallel to Q. Then what? Then with this angle will be corresponding angle. This angle I will what? This angle I will jump, okay. Then I will reach over here, corresponding angle. Again if I consider L is parallel to M, then what? With this angle, what will be the corresponding angle? I will jump this angle, and this angle will be what? My corresponding angle. Understood? So see, the diagram will get complicated, okay, but you have to understand. So again I am saying, if you're still till now, if your corresponding angle and alternate angle is not clear, you first draw like this diagram. You just take one angle, say this angle. Now you ask yourself that what will be its corresponding angle, what will be its alternate angle. Take another angle, what will be its corresponding angle, what will be its alternate angle. You ask yourself at first. If you are correct, if you think okay I have understood, then only you resume the video and you see, okay, you start the exercise. So now we will start exercise, but before starting exercise, if it is not clear, you again watch yesterday's video. You take pen and paper, you draw different diagrams like that. Say two parallel lines, two transversal, one parallel lines, one pair of parallel line, two transversal, okay, or one transversal, three parallel lines, one transversal. So draw different diagrams and you test yourself whether you are correct or not, okay, in every case. So finally let us start exercise 6.2. Okay, so what is the first question? Draw the diagram. So this is the line. $50 and this one is what? X. So this is the what? This is the diagram. Okay, given, what is given in this question? Find the value of x and y and then show that AB parallel CD. Okay, these are the given thing. It is not written in the question, but directly by looking the diagram you have to say what? That these are the given thing. Okay, so to write given, say question number 1 solution, we have to give some points over here. Okay, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Say this is E and this is F, E, F. So this point is G. Okay, this point is G and this point is what? This point is H. Any name you can give. Say A, B, C, D is given. This place I have named as E, F, G, H. Okay, this point is H. Okay, and this is angle X. Okay, see, this is angle X. This is what? This is angle X. X is not the vertex. Okay, different thing. Okay, don't write like that. That angle AXH. This will be wrong. Why? Because this is angle X, not vertex X. Your angle will be what? You have to write AGH. Don't use this X and Y. These are your angle measurement. Okay. Okay, so now we can write the given. So given what? Given that 50 degrees given, right? So what is the name of that angle? Angle A, don't use this X, okay? Angle AGE. Given angle AGE is equal to what? 50 degree. Angle AGE is equal to 50 degree. And one more angle is given, this one. Angle what? CHF. Angle CHF will be equal to what? 130 degree. What we have to show in this question? At first we have to find X and Y. Then we have to show what? That AB is parallel to CD. So at first we have to find what? What we have to find? X and Y, the value of X and Y. Then we have to show what? To show that AB parallel to CD. Now one thing I forgot, that whether I have said or not in the last class, that remember one thing, if two lines are parallel, then only there will be alternate angles, there will be corresponding angles. If the lines are not parallel, then there is no alternate angle, there is no corresponding angle, okay? And in opposite way, if there is an alternate angle and if there is corresponding angle, then only the lines will be what? Parallel. If parallel, then alternate corresponding. If alternate corresponding, then parallel. If no parallel, then no alternate and no corresponding. Understood? So see, in this question, we have to show AB parallel is CD, okay? In the question, it is not given AB parallel CD. So you cannot say that X and Y are alternate angles. You cannot say that, okay? It looks right. X and Y are alternate angles. Correct. X and Y are alternate angles. But it is not said in the diagram, in the question, that AB is parallel CD. We have to prove that AB is parallel to CD, okay? So I cannot say that X is equal to Y directly. And I will write the reason alternate angles. That I can't do. Because in the question, it is not given as AB parallel CD. I have to prove AB parallel CD. Understood? If it is not given, then you cannot use. Simple thing. So now let us start the question. So how we will find X and Y? At first we will find X and Y. So very simple, you see. X, how we will find? Any idea? X is over here. So think over here. How X and Y? Sorry, how at first, how X? So I think some of you have got the idea. And whoever has not got the idea. So you simplify the diagram. Simplify the diagram like that. So this is the line. This is the line. This is what? This is 50 degree. This is X. This is totally about your IQ, okay? This is like puzzle only. The maths is easy. Just you have to understand the diagram. See, if I break this diagram, means when you will see the diagram, only focus on this part. Your focus should be on this part only. See, what is this? This looks similar, isn't it? To what? To linear pair. Just now we have discussed that 1 and 2 linear pair, 2 and 3 linear pair, 3 and 4 linear pair, 1 and 4 linear pair, isn't it? So this is linear pair, you see. So your focus on the diagram should be very accurate, okay? So how we will find X? With the help of linear pair property. Now Y, how? Now can you find Y? Very simple, isn't it? Y and this is what? Vertically opposite angles. So directly what will be the value of Y? Y will be 130 degree. So Y we have got only. Simply we have to calculate and we have to find what? X. So let us find X at first. How we will find? By linear pair property, isn't it? So now I will write, now see, for alternate and corresponding we need what? Parallel lines. Since parallel lines is not given, so we cannot use. But for vertically and linear pair, we don't need parallel lines. What we need? Straight lines. For vertically and linear pair, only straight lines should be there. But for alternate and corresponding, parallel lines should be there, okay? So directly we will use linear pair. That is what? This angle. What is the name of this angle? This 50 degree angle? Angle AGE. Isn't it? This angle. Now angle AGE plus angle, this angle AGY plus angle AGY. Sorry, I have made a mistake. See, this mistake will happen, okay? Y is not the value, not the point. It is the measurement of the angle. So Please be very careful, okay? This mistake happens. That's why I have said, see, AG not Y, okay? AGH. AGH. Be careful. Don't write X and Y, okay? X and Y is measurement. AGE. Check carefully. AGE, okay? AG and what? H, okay? So AGE plus AGH will be equal to what? 180 degree. The reason you write what? Linear pair. Linear pair. Done. Put the value. What is the value of AGE? The value of AGE is what? 50 degree. What is the value of AGH? AGH. What is the value? X. What is the value? X. Which is equal to what? 180 degree. Which implies, take this 50 degree that side. X will be equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. So solve the answer. What is 180 minus 50? 180 minus 50 is what? 130. So which implies our X will be equal to what? 130 degree. So we have got X. So Y is very simple. How to find Y? How to find Y? Y is, and this angle is what? Vertically opposite angle, isn't it? Very easy. Again, don't write directly Y. What is the name of the angle Y? G, H and what? D, isn't it? G, don't use X. G, H, D. Angle G, H, D will be equal to angle what? This angle C, H, F. Angle C, H, F, isn't it? GHD will be equal to what? Angle CHF. Reason what? Reason vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles, okay? So now put the value. What is the value of angle GHD? Angle GHD. What is the value? Y. Which implies Y will be equal to, what is the value of angle CHF? CHF 130 degree. So we have got X also and we have got Y also. The first part done. Find the value of X and Y. That part done. Now what we will prove? That AB should be parallel to what? CD. So that part we will prove. So how we will prove, you see? So what I have said, if parallel, then corresponding alternate, and if corresponding alternate, then parallel. So now we will prove what? Parallel. So for to prove parallel, we need what? We need corresponding or alternate, isn't it? If we can show that this is alternate, or if you can show that this is corresponding, then we can say what? Parallel. Done. So now you see, X is also 130, Y is also 130. X is also 130, Y is also 130. That means what? X and Y are equal. X is also 130, Y is also 130. That means X and Y are equal. So I can write now X is equal to Y. Isn't it? X is equal to Y because their measurement is same. The value is same. And X and Y looks like what? X and Y looks like what? They looks like alternate angle. Now X is equal to Y and they are alternate angles, and they are also alternate angles. And they are also alternate what? And they are also alternate angles. See, we have got what? X is equal to 130, Y is also equal to 130. We have not used alternate angle property, okay? We have found out with the help of linear pair and with the help of vertically opposite angles. And we have got what? Our X is equal to 130, Y is also equal to 130. That means what? X and Y are equal. And they also look like what? And they also look like alternate angles. So now I can conclude that they are equal. They are equal and they look like alternate angle. So therefore our AB must be what? Parallel to CD. This is your answer. The opposite one. If alternate, then parallel. If parallel, then alternate, that one we know already. The opposite one, if alternate angles are there, then it will be parallel also. So done, this is the answer. This one was easy question, very simple question. Find x with the help of linear pair, find y with the help of vertically. Now they are equal. If they are equal and they look like alternate also, so they are also parallel. So number 1 done. Move to question number 2. Draw the diagram. Move to question number 2. So 3 parallel lines are there, okay. So we have already discussed about this diagram. So as I said before starting the exercise, if your concept is not clear regarding the diagram, so don't start the exercise, okay. Video will stay for 2 to 3 days in the classroom. Video will stay, okay. After 2 or 3 days only the video will get deleted. So you have time. So you watch the previous video. You clear yourself. At first you clear your concept, then only you start the exercise. Otherwise no use, okay. Otherwise no use. See, all the diagrams are different. Okay, this is not like algebra. Question number 1 is if a plus b whole square. Question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all are a plus b whole square. Not like that, okay. The formula will be same, alternate or corresponding or linear pair or vertically. But all the diagrams are different. So if you don't understand the diagram, then it will not work. For you, every question will be like a different question. It will be a difficult question. But once you will try to adjust with the diagram, then you will find that there is a link in the diagram. You will find this question like puzzle, okay. So x, this is x, this is x, this is y, this is y, this is x, this is y, and this is what? This is z, okay. So this is the diagram. X, y and z is given. Okay, so these are the names. Now question number 2, what is given in the question? Write the given part. Given. See, this time they have given that AB is parallel to CD. So now parallel given, so you can use alternate, corresponding, whatever it is there you can use directly, because parallel they have said in the question, okay. Only if they say it is parallel you can use the property, otherwise you can't use. And what is given? CD is what? Parallel to EF. Now one thing clear at first. If AB is parallel to CD, if AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, then obviously AB will also be parallel to EF, okay. If AB is parallel to CD, say for example this is a railway track. If these two are parallel, there is one more railway track that side. If these two are parallel, then this and this will also be what? Parallel only, isn't it? So we will write this one here. In the question it is not given, we have to write that one, that AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF. So therefore we can say what? Our AB will also be parallel to what? EF. Simple, okay? But you have to write that one, okay? Without writing directly you can't use. And what is given? Y is to Z is equal to 3 is to 7, okay. And Y is to Z will be equal to what? 3 is to 7. This is given. So now we will show, okay, what we have to show? Find X. To find, what we need to find? To find X. Y, Z, no needed, we need what? X, okay. So focus should be on X. How we will find? See, in I think so 6.1, I have said one thing. Whenever you will get this ratio type of question, you will take what? You will take a variable with that. Okay. So we will start from here only. Okay. As soon as you will see this ratio, you will take the help of that variable. Okay. So I will say now let y will be equal to, now I will not write 3x. Why I will not write 3x? Because x is already there. Any other variable than x, say k or p pk is not used, right? Okay, so you can take k also, say 3k. Let y is equal to 3k and z is equal to what? 3:7, right? 3:7. So z will be equal to what? 7k. Done. Okay. So now again you think y is to z is 3:7. Y is to z is 3:7. But I need the value of x. Y, there is no need of y, no need of z. I need what? I need x. So somehow I have to bring x over here. Nothing is given, you see. Parallel lines is given and this ratio is given. So somewhere I need this x or not. If I will not get this x, how I will find the value of x? So you have to bring x somewhere. How you will bring x? Now that you have to think in the diagram. How? Is there any relation between x and y? Is there any relation between x and z? Is there any relation between y and z? So you see the diagram. We have already discussed this diagram, okay, before starting the exercise. Somehow you need x over here. Now y and z, if I see, there is no relation between y and z. Are they what's it, alternate angles? Definitely they are not corresponding angles, because this is y in left side, z is in right side. So it looks like alternate. Are they alternate angle? Hide this one. If you hide this line, okay, if you hide this line, then you will see that, if you hide this line, then you will see that y is what? Y is an exterior angle, but z is not an exterior angle. Z is an interior angle. So y cannot be alternate to z. Y will be alternate to this angle, but not z. Understood? See, you see, y is exterior, but z is interior. Okay. So how to find them? Is there any relation between x and z? X and z. If I hide this line, then you see x is interior, z is also interior. If I hide this line, this middle line, if I don't draw, then you see this is x and this is z. This was I was discussing, right, before starting the exercise, that you just hide the middle line. Your concentration power should be more, okay? You cannot draw each and every time like that in the exam. So you just have to think like that, that middle line is not there. Then this x is equal to what? Z, isn't it? Alternate angle. See, x is also interior, z is also interior. So our x and z is what? X and z is actually what? Alternate angle. So I can write now what? Now angle x will be equal to what? Angle z. Now angle x will be equal to what? Angle z. So what is angle x and angle z? Why they are equal? So you write alternate angle. Alternate angles, isn't it? Alternate angles. Then angle x is equal to angle z. Now what we can say? Now this ratio. What was the ratio? The ratio was y is to z is equal to what? 3:7. Now since x is equal to z, so in place of z I will write what? Y is to x will be equal to 3:7. Okay. In place of x I will write what? Y is to x will be what? 3:7. That means if z is equal to 7k, then x will be also what? Equal to 7k. So therefore x will be equal to what? 7k. See, our z was what? 7k. So I can write what? X is equal to what? 7k. Understood? X and z is what? Equal. Okay, so now substitute. Now what? Now the ending part. See, x and y is what? X and y are what? Co-interior angle. If you see nicely, if you hide this line, then x and y are what? Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Or I can say what? X and y are what? Co-interior angles. So one property I have given in the last class, that co-interior angles are what? Supplementary. That means if you add these two angles, it will be what? 180 degree. So now what I will say? Now x plus y will be equal to what? 180 degree. Simple. Reason you write co-interior angles are what? Supplementary. Are supplementary. Okay. What was supplementary? Sum of two angles should be what? Equal to 180 degree. Okay. So which implies what is the value of x? The value of x is what? 7k. What is the value of y? The value of y was what? 3k, isn't it? 180 degree. So what is 7k plus 3k? 7k plus 3k is what? 10k, right? So 10k is equal to 180 degree, which implies k will be equal to what? 180 degree by 10, which implies k is equal to what? 18 degree. So from here, what value I need? I need the value of x. So now x was equal to what? 7k, which is equal to 7 into what? 18 degree, which implies x will be equal to 7 into 18 degree. What is 18 7 ja? Then 9. Okay, 7 1 just 7 8 just 56, 5 126 degree. Okay, 18 7 ja is how much? 126. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 126 degree. So this way you have to find. Okay, so understood? X and z are what? Alternate angles. So in place of z I will use what? X. If z was 7k, then x will also be 7k. Then these two angles are what? Co-interior angles. If I add these two angles, they will be 180 degree. And that's how I will find what? X. If you have any doubt regarding this question, then once again I will discuss. Okay. Any doubt you can ask that this question not understood or question number 1 not understood. Then again I will repeat in the next class. Okay. So today we will stop here. From next class we will continue 3, 4 like that. And if you have any doubt, then I will discuss it again. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.